Okay, great scholars, let us consider the square today. The square. A square has all the sides equal. A square is also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, but all the sides are equal. This is a square. 2 sticks. 2 sticks. 2 sticks. 2 sticks in this form. A square has all the sides equal. 2, 2, 2, 2. It has all the 4 sides equal. All the 4 sides of a square are equal. So if here is 5, here will be 5, here will be 5, here will be 5. So should you're solving the problem and the shape given to you is in this form and they only wrote 7 or they only wrote a number at one particular edge, it means such a shape is a square. They expect you to know that the other side will also be 7 or 5 or whatever number they have at the given side. So a square has all the sides equal. A square also has 4 angles. A square has 4 internal angles, and each is 90 degree. And if you add all the angles together, it will give you 360 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles or internal angles of a square is 360 degree. 360 degree. A square, I said, has all the 4 sides equal. It has 4 interior or internal angles, and if you add all the angles, you have 360 degree. All the internal angles are also equal. 90, 90, 90, 90. That makes it a square. Now, a square also has 4 lines of symmetry. I'm going to demonstrate that for you to see. 4 lines of symmetry. Let me cut my cardboard. Let me cut out the square from my cardboard. Let me have a perfect square out from my cardboard. So you see what I'm saying precisely. Good. Good. So this is a square. This is a square. This is the first line to give us equal parts. First line, symmetry. I'll also take this other side. Yes. This is the second line. The second line. So we've done 2 lines. 1 and 1. Okay, I'm going to do this one now. This one now. This is another line. This is another line. Good. So we've done 3. I'm going to do this one also. Good. We have this. So we have 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. This is a square. You can divide it equally this way. 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 So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has 4 lines of symmetry. It has 4 lines of symmetry. A square, I said, is a quadrilateral that has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. It has 4 interior or internal angles, and they are all equal. And if you add all the internal angles, you have 360 degrees. A square, I said, has 4 lines of symmetry, and I've demonstrated that for you to see. Now let's quickly run through the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is also simple. Since all the sides are the same, if here is length, here will be length, length, length. Since all the sides are the same. Now perimeter means to add all the sides. So it will be L plus L plus L plus L. So perimeter of a square is 4L. That is the formula. Perimeter of a square is 4L, or you can still use your L plus L plus L plus L. Or you can use the quick formula 4L, which is 4 times L. So if you are given problem to solve in mathematics, you might be asked to find the perimeter of the square. Below you have this square, below you have this, and the radius is 6 centimeters alone. The radius is 6 centimeters alone. It is your place to know that since here is 6 centimeters, here will be 6, here will be 6, here will be 6, then add all the 6 together. But if you're using the formula directly, which is P is equal to 4L, you will not bother yourself completing the side because your length is already 6. Therefore, by the formula, you have solution P is equal to 4L. If that is true, then P is equal to 4 times 6. Since my L is 6, that will give us P is equal to 24 centimeters squared. That is the perimeter of the square that has 6 as length. Solving perimeter is simple. It is that you add all in this form, or you use the formula 4L to solve your perimeter, and you get your answer correctly. This is as simple as A, B, C. So carefully go through the class. Remember, I said a square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 lines of symmetry. All the lines, all the sides are equal. It has equal internal angles. And if you add all the angles, you get 360 degrees. And I've been able to show you how to apply the formula for perimeter of square, and we'll be able to solve a problem. If you have the equation change in the other way around, for instance, if the perimeter of a square is 24 centimeters, what is the length of the square? State your formula and replace your P by 24, then you later divide the both sides by 4, you get your answer as 6 centimeters. Just the same way we did for rectangles. So it's simple to deal with. In our next class, we shall treat the areas of squares. Thank you.